I was at NYU at the time, and I enlisted as part of the ROTC. You're familiar with that? And the thing was that if you enlisted, you would go to officers' training school after that year. And so I finished my sophomore year, and I did go to officers' training school and flunked out. And I flunked out because I could not do push-ups. One of the criteria, apparently, was that you had to do 25 push-ups. So I could do about 5. And then the next day, they said, all right, do it again. Completely wrong. Now you're supposed to let the muscles rest a day, and then you build up gradually. They didn't do that. So by the end of the week, I was doing 1 because my muscles were getting weaker because they didn't rest. I had 100 on all my tests and everything else, and so I flunked, which was probably the best thing that happened, because lieutenants didn't last very long in infantry. And most of the time in combat, we didn't have a lieutenant. Either they got killed or they wounded. One of them was shell-shocked and had to be sent back. And I eventually became the platoon sergeant. Not because I was so good, but because I lasted. And so I was lucky in that respect.